What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix TikTok camera quality. Like, whenever you try to post a video on TikTok, you feel like the quality is not that good, or you feel like your phone, like when you use your normal camera, like the quality is better than when you are using camera on TikTok. So like you see here, when I use the camera on TikTok, it's not that good quality. Like when I try to record anything, I don't like, I feel like it's not a good quality. So here is exactly how you can fix this problem. So what you want to do, guys, you want to click three lines in the top right corner and then click settings and privacy at the very bottom. And after that, what you want to do, guys, you want to search for something called data saver. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to show you another solution. Click data saver and then turn this off. Okay, when you turn this off, what happens is you upload TikTok videos to, like, TikTok doesn't reduce the quality of your video when you try to upload it to TikTok. But when you turn this off, when you turn this on, TikTok reduces the quality of the video so that you can upload videos faster to TikTok. That's the reason why this option is on TikTok. So make sure to turn it off, okay? Like I did right now, and see if the problem is fixed. That's good. If it's not, that means your camera is not that good. Like, make sure to clean your camera, your lens, like the back of your phone. Make sure to clean the camera and see if you can, like, if the quality is good or not. Or there is another solution is to remove the app and download it again. Don't worry, you won't lose anything like files, stuff like that. So I hope this video, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. If you guys want to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute, click in the video in the screen right now to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. See you guys in the next video. I hope this video helped you guys.